to my beloved, to my beloved all Telugu speaking people. Good evening to everyone. About 10 years ago, I came with Vijay Antony sir for Bichagada movie here. But you folks, without knowing anything about us, you gave us a warm welcome and a super duper hit, huge blockbuster hit you gave us. It still remains in my heart. I'll never ever forget that gratitude. I'll never. Thank you, people. Thank you, folks. And again, even now, I have come once again with the same Vijay Antony, with the same mother and son relationship story. But this time, this Vanda Devullu is totally different from Bichagadu. Because a son saw a mother as a goddess, that is Bichagadu. A son got used to seeing his mother as human being, just a human being. That is Vanda Devullu. Really, we treat or we consider our mother as God, definitely that thing will favor to us only. But we consider our mother as a human being, definitely that is going to be favor to them, to our mother. What we are going to do, what should we do? That is what this film is going to deal. Definitely this movie, this Vanda Devullu, make you super happy, as good as Bichagadu. As a writer and director, I'm giving 100% assurance to you. Definitely, this film also may make you happy because it's a highly entertaining and very emotional scenes-packed movie. Definitely, you are going to enjoy it. Thank you all. I personally I want to thank you, Niharika and Trinadhara sir, then all the media and press people. Thank you all. Basa Srigar, always salute you. All the Vijay Antony's movies, you have done a great job. Always you are doing a great job. I know that. Before coming here, I happened to speak my distributor, Subbareddy Garu sir. He's very, he's a down-to-earth person. Sir, definitely you are going to feel happy, sir, about this movie after the release. Thank you.
For sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Be here, sir. Please stay back, sir. Thank you. And we are really happy to have you here. Seriously, I'm telling you this, like one of my favorite film is Bichagadu. So thank you so much for giving such a beautiful film to us and wish you good luck. And now I request everybody, ఇప్పుడు అందరినీ వేదిక మీదకి పిలిచే సమయం అయిపోయింది. I request భాష్యశ్రీ గారిని వేదిక మీద రాసుగా స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నాను. సో తెలుగు రైటర్ భాష్యశ్రీ గారిని వేదిక మీద రాసుగా స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నాము. అండ్ అలాగే సో డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్ సుబ్బారెడ్డి